This video right here is a tutorial video for people that are interested on making money with CPA marketing just by promoting the United Kingdom offers, and I'm going to walk you through this, guys, in a step-by-step manner. But before we do that, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I make some cool videos on ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, you can scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. You can also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. So diving right back into the video of today, you can actually go on to grabbing an offer from any CPA marketing platform of your choice. I'm going to be utilizing CPA Grip, and I'm just going to log into my account right here and come onto this offers page. To get to this page, you need to just simply select the offer tools option, select my offers, and filter your offers to the United Kingdom demographic. Now I can actually come right here and click on payout also. If I do click on payout right now, it's actually going to filter the offers based on payout and take me from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers. And for this kind of offers right now, I usually prefer promoting sweepstake offers because they are offers that actually grabs a lot of people's attention and attract a lot of people to complete. If I do select this offer right now, you can see more details about the offer, that this is actually a giveaway offer for about €1,000 towards getting an iPhone 15 Pro Max right now. Now, people that need to complete this offer actually needs to come from the United Kingdom. They need to be utilizing an Android device to submit their email address or zip code while going through a simple survey using this my unique affiliate link, and I'm going to just simply earn this particular amount, which is $2.22 for every person that completes the offer. And they also do stand the chance of winning this giveaway prize. Now, to be clear, it is not compulsory or it's not guaranteed that they're going to just simply win this giveaway prize. It's just they just actually stand the chance of winning this prize right now. As you can see, you can get your reward after you fill in your information. They stand a chance of winning this prize, so it's not guaranteed that they are actually going to win that exactly. So all you need to do next is to copy the link, and you want to just simply create a landing page for this offer. Now you could create landing pages with either Breezy Cloud, System.io, GetResponse, Google Sites, Webflow, and there are lots of other landing page builder sites you can leverage. Now I have some tutorial videos on my channel that teaches you how to create simple landing pages such as that. To gain access to such videos, head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon, and just simply go on to typing in landing page. Once you successfully type in landing page and click on enter, the page is going to reload, and you're going to see some cool and amazing videos that teaches you how to create landing pages with each and every one of the platforms I mentioned previously. You can see this one teaches you how to create landing pages with System.io, this with Google Sites, and you can see this is actually with Webflow right now. This is with Breezy.io, and if you do keep on scrolling through, you can see some cool and amazing videos that teaches you how to easily create landing pages. So learn how to create landing page that is actually going to be converting your CPA marketing offers, and you can then go on to promoting your offer right now utilizing this platform called the ukclassifieds.co.uk. Now, as you can see the domain right here, ukclassifieds.co.uk, this is a platform, as the name implies, that you can use to go on to promoting classified ads right now to the United Kingdom. And right now you can just simply sign up for an account by clicking on the sign in/register. Get an account created. It's quite easy. You can sign up with your email address, be brought to this page right now. As you can see right now, I'm signed in. You want to click on place an ad. Once you do click on that, you want to first of all select the category for that ad. As you can see, I can just simply go into selecting a category right now. Since that particular offer is actually related to a mobile phone, I'm just going to select mobiles. For the subcategory, I'm going to select mobile phones for sale. For the select subcategory also, I'm also going to go on to selecting iPhone for sale. Now you can actually go on to selecting a specific city in the United Kingdom that you want to just simply target right here. As you can see, want to sell faster, set your preferred location. You can do that right now, or you could target every other city. Now once you've done with that, you want to come on to this section that says pricing. Now you don't want to put in a price, instead you want to select item for free. Now you're actually giving out this item for free right now. Now you can actually go into certain transactions and conditions for them right now. Maybe for the condition, you can actually go on to selecting maybe a new one or a used one. Now I'm going to select new. For the transaction, guys, you can actually go on to selling them, like that's actually for free. Now you can also go on to uploading some cool photos that can actually help your ad go on to getting faster to a lot of people, and a lot of people will actually click on that. You can then go on to inserting a very cool title and a very cool description, and note right here in this section that says link to your website. That's where you're actually going to be inserting the link to that your CPA marketing offer, or rather still your landing page, which is also linked to your CPA marketing offer right now. Once you insert the link right there, you want to just simply submit this, and your ad will begin to run on this platform, and you can then go on to getting some cool targeted traffic to your offers and make some cool cash right now. So this is an amazing strategy I advise you leverage and make some cool cash online. Now, like I said, if you're looking for other strategies to make money online, head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the videos option, and you're going to see a lot of cool videos that can enable you make some cool cash online. Each videos are actually coming up with different strategies right now, so why not just simply check out the videos and leverage that. You could also go on to hitting the subscribe button to the channel and turning on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. And for a bonus, guys, check out the first link in the description of the video to gain access to my #1 recommendation to making money online. So thank you all for watching, and goodbye.